How to add promo code to a Walmart order. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can actually add a promo code to your Walmart order. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add a promo code to your Walmart order, all you have to do is just open up your browser, go to walmart.com, then add up products to your cart, right? And then click on the cart icon from the top right. Then you come to this page basically, where you can just fill in your pickup and delivery options and just continue to check out. And when you continue to check out, it is on this page where you have to actually enter your promo code. So on the right hand side you can see estimated total, and then under it you'll find have a promo code drop down menu. Just click on the drop down menu, and then all you have to do is enter the promo code that you have. Once you enter the promo code that you have, just click on the apply button, and then the promo code, if it is valid, is going to be successfully applied to this specific product. Now keep in mind, promo code and gift card code is different. The way to redeem your promo code and the gift card code is totally different, as I mentioned it. So just make sure to enter the promo code on the right hand side, click on apply, and then it's going to be successfully applied. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.